my gosh, all my stuff is falling. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Story of my life, whatever. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to the channel, then welcome, welcome, welcome. For those that have noticed that my name is not Damaged Jade anymore, it is now It's a Jade's World. I thought that since I'm getting older, and you know, when I started making this YouTube channel, I was, I think, like 23 or 4 or something like that. I can't even remember, but I was still very young, in my young 20s, having fun, whatever, with life. I felt like now I'm getting older, I'm 27, and I feel like I needed to change it up. I feel like my name should stand for what it is. So this is pretty much my world, and whatever goes down in my world will be in my world. And you know, if you don't like my world, then that's okay, you don't have to follow. I just want you guys to, you know, be in my world with me and have fun with me while I get creative, while I do silly things once in a while, you know, like stuff like that. This video today, I wanted to have some fun. I wanted to create some, you know, new eyeshadow look. I wanted to do something that was completely different from what I'm used to. I just wanted to challenge up myself. Please make sure to keep watching. And yeah, so I'm gonna start with using this Rodial Beauty GlowBrow Precision Eyebrow pencil in dark ash. Gonna go in with some makeup base onto my eyelids just to prime them out. Next, we're gonna go ahead and apply this color from the Sparrow Cosmetics palette, which will be the Power of 5. I'm so excited, this is coming out soon. But in this palette will be this color, which is Move Over. And I'm gonna go ahead and do that like type of swirly effect up here. Not sure how it's gonna go down, but we'll make it work. Moving into the Shany Cosmetics palette. This is the boutique palette that has like all these bright colors, which I love. I'll go in with this guy right there, and we'll see how that goes. Pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool. It's very different. That's the point. Finish it up. This is what it's looking like so far. I'm gonna go and use this white into the corners. Okay. I'm gonna be using the Pxie Flawless and Poreless Primer onto the face next. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and use my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in 108 Caramel Beige. Everything's covered. I'm covered, my hair's covered. We're all covered. All right, going back in with that Shape Tape from earlier, just going to go and put that under the eyes, forehead, where it desperately needs, because there's some type of planet on me and I don't know what it's called and I don't like it. I really love how this Shape Tape is. All right, and just a little setting powder just to set that all in. Put MAC on the glasses for a second, just because I can't really see so much right now. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Bahama Mama sample that I got in Pxie from the Balm. And next will be highlighter, and we're gonna go ahead and use today the Sparrow Cosmetics highlighter. It'll be If You Seek Amy. Oh my god. Look how shiny that is, like, damn. Their highlighters are like on point, seriously, like, stop playing. Everybody, I think, needs to get some damn Sparrow Cosmetics highlighters. Not only are they a good bargain, but look at that shine, like, glow it up, boo. And I'm gonna go in once again with Sparrow Cosmetics, but I'm gonna be using their blush. I'm gonna be using Just Desserts. Just be careful on the amount that you use for Sparrow Cosmetics, their brand. Their stuff is so good and it's so highly pigmented, so I recommend just using the littlest amount at a time. I'm gonna go back into the eyes and use this BeautyForReal 24-hour eyeliner in 24 karat, baby. We're gonna go in once again with that move over from Sparrow Cosmetics. And I'm just gonna blend that out. And now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply mascara, and I'm gonna try to apply false lashes. I am starting to slowly grasp the concept of lashes. I'm not gonna do it on camera because I'm not comfortable yet, but you'll see it once I'm really invested on getting more used to showing it off. So I'll be right back. Last but not least, it is lips. And today I'm gonna go and use Cosmetics Liquid Volve Cloud, I believe it is, lipstick. It is in Rose Nude. Is of course my e.l.f. setting spray. We're gonna go ahead and take a good bath real quick. So that is it for this look. I just wanted to have a little fun today. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you liked it, great. And if you didn't, great, I guess. I don't know. If you guys are interested in following me, make sure to subscribe down below, as well as on social media. I have an Instagram and I have a Twitter, both under It's a Jade's World. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. That's where I post most out of any of my accounts, really. Thank you guys so much for watching once again. And yeah, see you later. Peace, guys. Bye.